At number 3, we have the Ninja JC151. The JC151 excels at continuous juicing with its never-clog technology that effectively handles tough ingredients without interruption. The juicer features 2 interchangeable pulp filters for customizable results, allowing users to choose between less or more pulp in their beverages. Its high-torque motor operates at low speeds for efficient juice extraction while maintaining relatively quiet operation. The unit comes with simple one-touch controls, start, stop, and reverse functions, making it user-friendly. All parts that contact juice are dishwasher safe, simplifying the cleaning process. The anti-drip lever prevents countertop messes and reduces waste. The juicer includes a 24-ounce juice jug, 36-ounce pulp container, and an inspiration guide with 15 recipes. While the feed chute requires ingredients to be pre-cut into smaller pieces, the juicer effectively processes a wide variety of fruits and vegetables, from soft citrus to hard root vegetables.